Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is writing biographical sketches. Let us understand, a biographical sketch is a brief write-up about somebody. You include details of a person's birth, the place of birth, education, the achievement he is noticed for, and any other such important details. You also include the date of death if the person is already dead. Before writing a biographical sketch of a person, you have to conduct research. You read books on the person or you search the internet for information. You then note down the information in points and build up a biographical sketch based on these points. तो बच्चों बायोग्राफिकल स्केच जो होता है वो आपको ब्रीफ मतलब आप ब्रीफली किसी के बारे में बताते हो, उनके जन्म से लेकर उनकी मृत्यु तक का जितना भी उनका पीरियड रहता है वो आप डिस्कस करते हो और आप एक्सप्लेन करते हो किसके थ्रू, बायोग्राफीज के थ्रू. Look at the sample biographical sketch given below. Notes on R.K. Narayan, birth October 1906 in Madras, full name Rashipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayana Swami. Childhood spent with grandmother. Playmates were a monkey and a peacock. Best known for stories set in a fictional South Indian town called Malgutti. First novel, Swami and Friends, written at the age of 24. Other works, The Bachelor Arts, The English Teacher, The Financial Expert, The Guide. Style very simple. Awards, the Sahitya Akademi Award, Padma Vibhushan. Other information, nominated to the Rajya Sabha. Death May 31, 2001, age 94. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे बायोग्राफी जो है वो हम लिखने जा रहे हैं आर के नारायण के ऊपर. तो जो जितनी भी डिटेल है आपको पहले उनको नोट कर लेना है, उसके बाद आप बायोग्राफी जो है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे. बायोग्राफिकल स्केच ऑन आर के नारायण और राशीपुरम कृष्ण स्वामी अय्यर नारायण स्वामी was born in October 1906 in Madras, now known as Chennai, which was the capital of the Madras Presidency. His father, a school headmaster, was constantly on transfer, and so R.K. Narayan spent most of his early childhood with his grandmother, who was major influence on him. It is said that his childhood friends were a monkey and a peacock. He realized that writing was his calling at an early stage in life. His first novel, which he wrote at the age of 24, was Swami and His Friends, set in a fictional South Indian town called Malgutti. This town was then to become a constant in all his future books. All his stories from henceforth were set in the very town. R.K. Narayan was both acclaimed and criticized for his simple style. His other noted works include The Bachelor of Art, The English Teacher, The Financial Expert, and The Guide. He won the Sahitya Akademi Award and was later also honored with the Padma Vibhushan by the Indian government. He was also nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He died on May 31st in 2001 at the age of 94. तो बच्चों देखा आपने कैसे इजी हो जाता है बायोग्राफी लिखना अगर आप नोट्स जो है वो पहले से ही बना लेते हो. तो बच्चों आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. अब इसका रिवीजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे.